Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to hollow out a shape in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Apply step 1. First create any shape like rectangle, rounded. Example, use step 1, hold shape, use create a circle, use stroke color and without fill. Increase or decrease stroke or outline, change outline color. Okay. And apply step 2, create a new layer. Again, right click on your mouse, make a rectangle or square, then double click the shape. Fill opacity 0, use only stroke color. Increase or decrease for stroke color. Stroke size. Change the stroke color. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.